Even before we left our office, we were already kind of splitting up amongst our office of who was going to do what stations. Then you show up and music's playing loud and people are running all over the place.
What's contagious is the vibe. These events just get hopping.
There's dust and people running with boxes.
There was a constant leaderboard.
People are so excited and energized.
You see a bunch of names up there of other businesses. It's like, oh, if we pack quick and get a couple more, we can get ahead of them.
They're just drenched in sweat and having the best time ever.
Yeah, everybody's competing, but everybody knows that there's a common goal.
What's great about an event like this is it's something you can really stand behind.
It kind of shows what Warsaw's about, is everybody coming together and for a common good and just kind of seeing how far they can push that goal together.
Because there were so many people that wanted to participate, this time we are opening it up to 2 days for the corporate challenge.
We need you to strengthen our community bonds, have some fun, and duke it out with another local company.